Click on the link below to get price. The Klipsch Reference Premier RP-5000F II floor-standing speakers are an impressive addition to any audiophile setup, delivering an exceptional audio experience. Right out of the box, the sleek ebony finish commands attention, blending seamlessly with modern and classic interior designs. The build quality is robust, with a sturdy cabinet that minimizes resonance, ensuring clear sound reproduction. The highlight of the RP-5000F II is undoubtedly its sound performance. Featuring a 1-inch titanium LTS vented tweeter in dual 5.25-inch spun-copper IMG woofers, these speakers provide a well-balanced audio profile. The highs are crisp and articulate, allowing for detailed vocal performances and the subtleties of instruments to shine through. The woofers deliver a satisfying low-end response, rendering bass-heavy tracks with power and precision without overwhelming the mids and highs. One of the standout features is the proprietary TrackRix horn technology, which enhances the soundstage and imaging. This design minimizes distortion while maximizing clarity, resulting in a listening experience that feels immersive. Whether you're watching movies or listening to music, the RP-5000F II creates an engaging atmosphere that draws you in. In terms of versatility, these speakers excel across various genres. From rock to classical, they handle dynamic shifts in volume and intensity with ease. Furthermore, they pair exceptionally well with a wide range of amplifiers, making them a flexible option for different audio setups. Installation is straightforward, and they come equipped with dual binding posts, allowing for bi-wiring or bi-amping if desired. However, they do require some space to breathe. Placing them away from walls can enhance their performance further. In conclusion, the Klipsch Reference Premier RP-5000F II stands out for its exceptional sound quality, stylish design, and solid build. They provide incredible value for their price point, making them a worthy investment for anyone serious about audio. Whether you're a casual listener or a dedicated audiophile, these speakers will not disappoint.